Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my new video. So, in this video, I will show you how to create a FTP user for a specific directory. So, what is a FTP user? A FTP user is like a normal user, but he has access to a FTP server. And in this video, I will use this Ubuntu, which is installed in my VMware workstation as a server, and this Ubuntu installed in my WSL or Windows subsystem for Linux as a client. At first, I will create a user in my server. I will use the add user command for this purpose. So first type sudo, then the add user command, then the username. I will call it FTP user. Press enter. Now give your password. Here you need to set a password for the user. Retype the password. You can add some additional information or you can press enter to skip. Finally, press Y to complete the process. Now I will set up a FTP server. At first, I need to update my system. Type sudo, then apt get update, press enter. Type your password. I made a mistake. This should work. Yes, it's working. It can take some time, so get a cup of coffee. Okay, now install this package. It is installing necessary package for the FTP server. Okay, we need to configure our server. Type sudo, then nano, here is the config file. I need to enable writing. It will allow a user to upload files in the server. And I need to define a port range. The server will use this port range for passive mode communication. Now, press Ctrl O and press enter to save the file and Ctrl X to exit. Now, I need to allow some port in my firewall so that the FTP server can communicate with the client. Let's clear the window. It will allow port 20. You can see it had added new rule in the firewall. Now allow port 21. Again, it has added some rules. Now I need to allow 40,000, 60,000. This should work. Press enter. Okay, we are done. Now we need to restart the server. The systemcl command. I will use systemcl command. I made a mistake again. Okay. Now see its status. As you can see, it is showing active and running. So our server is successfully set up. Type ifconfig command. Here is the IP address of our server, and I will use this IP address to access the server. Next, I will create a directory for the user. So let's go there. At first, I will create a directory named FTP Here is our new directory. Let's go in there and create a new directory. I will call it FTP User. See, there is a directory here. Now let's change its permission. As you can see, the user and the group of the FTP user directory is FTP User and FTP User. Now I will create a user config file. So let's go here. Let's create user config directory. Yes, there is a user config directory now. Let's go in there. Here I will create a file with the similar name to the user. Now enter the following command here. This command will specify the directory of the user. Press Ctrl O and enter to save, Ctrl X to exit. I need to edit the server config file. Let's open the server config file. Here you need to add the following line. This will specify the user config directory. So the server will look for user settings in this directory. Now I should restart the server. Finally, I will access the server from the client. At first, I need to type FTP, then the username, then the IP address. Press enter. Now give the password of the user. We have successfully logged in. Now see the current directory. I will use pwd command for that purpose. And you can see the directory is our specified directory. So everything is working just fine. Thank you for watching.